Abstergo.
Hello, Initiate. Recently, Abstergo Historical Research began several new projects in London. We both know that when Abstergo makes big moves, the Templars are up to something. We think they're hot on the trail of a new piece of Eden. I've got people in London looking for it.
Hey, Bishop! Jacob and Evie Fry are twins. How awesome is that?
Speak of the devil. Fire up your cameras, Bex. I've got picture. ETA on the payload?
Sending it now.
A lot to sift through. I'm gonna get the Initiates on it ASAP.
You look weird with a weapon. Let's plant a little bug and see what we can see. Got something. Isabel Ardant has a meeting here in a few hours. Doesn't say with who.
Doesn't say with whom, Rebecca. I suppose it's down to Muggins here to find out.
Hold on. The mission was to find data to locate a piece of Eden in London.
We did.
And now, I am eager to try this new kit.
I don't like it when those two go off book like this. Well, all we can do is take a deep breath and move forward. You'll be searching for the piece of Eden through the lives of Jacob and Evie Fry, twin assassins who operated in Victorian London. Your first set of genetic memories are downloaded. Good luck.
Brother George, it is as I feared. London has fallen. Thrice I have written to you begging your aid. Thrice you've responded with silence. And yet I write again. So desperate my need, so few my options. I need you. London needs you. You would say it is too great of a task, or that it is not yet time to strike. Patience, you would counsel. But whilst you wait, the Templars consolidate their power. They have chosen a Grand Master so ruthless, so thorough, one might think Reginald Birch himself had returned. His name is Crawford Starrick, and he intends to rule the world. There is no aspect of society he does not control, no industry that escapes his grim touch. By day, it is corrupt merchants and venal politicians who hold court. Come night, a vicious street gang known as the Blighters strikes terror in the hearts of all. There is no business untainted by his poison, no person unexploited, be it by duplicity or force. Our enemy has
The iron ship's from here. The Templar running things is Rupert Ferris and our target 1. Target 2 is Sir David Brewster, who's got his hands on a bauble that could ruin us in this wretched war. Think you both can handle it?
What a question. All right.
My mistake. Ladies and gentlemen, the unstoppable Fry twins. See them nightly at Covent Garden.
George, honestly, I've studied the plans of the laboratory and have every route covered.
And I've got all I need right here. I'll extend your regards to Ferris.
Chat later, George. We've a train to catch.
Jacob! Evie! May the creed guide you, you vagrants!
Poor man. More afraid than ever. The years have not been kind.
Evie Fry, where do you get it from?
The same place as you, Jacob.
Have fun.
Don't die.
How long does he intend to go on like this? He's disrupting the other workers. Shut his tracks and get the machine fixed. And send me some laudanum for my head.
Coming right up. Locked.
What do you think you're doing?
No one goes in or out, unless there's a problem.
I hold the machines. That door opens, and I have my route to Ferris.
please to summon a
The sanitary inspector. This man is dead.
You're the dead man! Run along home. I'll teach you how to beg for mercy. He's all even at one pace!
Don't get in my way.
Ferris, I'm coming.
Look at yourselves. Take a good
Time to head for higher ground.
working Englishman, are you not? Yet here you are, shouting like a bunch of such as yours. Well, Mr. Ferris has mandated that those who work in the factory of Brewster will receive double rations.
Even a hate
Extra overseers have been appointed to ensure Ferris Ironworks remains second to none. No one leaves before 10 o'clock each evening. Work the full 14 hours, collect your pay. Otherwise, you will run on the street. Mistreated. You're frustrated with your lot in life. These are natural troubles that affect the lives of all men. But they are certainly no excuse for all this chaos. Do you not agree that this behavior is most unbecoming? Look at yourselves. Take
Wait there! I'll chop you into bits! That's the last mistake you'll ever make! Hey, piss off before I break your legs!
I'll crush you like a bloody insect! Oh, blimey!
My afternoon pick-me-up.
You could say
Give my regards to the...
Oh, Christ!
We got a visitor. You see it?
Is something bad going on?
Taylor Cox! Once I thank you, move out of the way. Harvey Walker! Lewis Morgan! Trevor Ward!
No more play! This here is work! We're gonna break you kiddies in! No crying! Get to work! Your families are counting on you!
Mr. Ferris, sir. The lad in the factory should be taken to be bandaged by the apothecary.
Fine. But dock his wages.
Yes, sir.
Shall we arrive at a final price, Mr. Ferris?
Stop that trespasser! I can hit it from here!
It's your last bout. Enjoy.
Finish him off, and we'll go for a drink! Out here! Damn, bollocks! Do you see it?
Take this down. Dear sir, I am pleased to inform you that I have managed to secure a source of iron ore that will continue to generate a steady profit.
It is done.
Oh? What did you accomplish, boy? A bolt loosened in Starrick's machine. A large bolt, but not enough.
Your Grandmaster will fall.
You assassins can circle London to your heart's content. The mechanism we have built has been going strong for 100 years, and will run 1,000 more. It is the very city itself.
We will take London from your hands.
From Croydon? You lurk in the shadows like a coward. I doubt it.
Let me go. I want to live. My sister needs me.
The assassin! Kill him!
After him.
Impeccable timing.
Shooting down!
Tickets, please.
Give us time! Case's gun is dead! Lock it! Lock off! I'll cut your tongue out! What's your bottle, boys?
Oh, we seem to have made an unscheduled stop. Maybe next time I'll walk.